2012 Honda Civic cabin filter change in the glove box. Open it up. Got a tab up here. Just push in and push it on this side. Easy with two hands. The whole thing drops down. Here is your filter. There's a little tab right there. Squeeze it. Door comes off. Filter. Not too bad. Take your new filter. This is a charcoal filter, so it's intentionally gray. Slide it in, make sure it goes the right way. I guess this one maybe goes that way. Nope. Then it goes on this side first. Installed. Lift the door back up. Squeeze the tabs. Done. Check out my air filter change video as well.